What's up, guys? It's Nick from NickSaysGo.com here. Thank y'all for joining me for another video. If you're new to the channel, we do product unboxings here, vlogs, grooming tips, style tips, pretty much, man, everything lifestyle related for the average person, man. I'll get y'all straight. Today, we have a new unboxing, man. Something very, very, very special to me. It was actually a gift from New Balance themselves, which it still blows my mind that I can even say that out loud. We are talking about the JJJJound New Balance 992s here, and man, I would love to give y'all some detailed shots, some good footage of them. In my opinion, one of the best releases of the year. They came out in a gray colorway and a green colorway, both beautiful shoes, but I have the gray in my possession. All praise due to the New Balance gods. As always, to start this off, let's hit you with the quick 360 first, just so you get a look at the sneaker if you haven't really seen much of it. Just a beautiful model. Like I said, they came in two colorways. I have the green, I have the gray. There's also a green out there. Then, man, some of my favorite details, just to kick it off, the back. I love the JJJJound label on the back. Super clean. I love the 992 tag on the tongue, same style. Of course, you got the leather on the New Balance logo. The rest of the shoe, suede and nubuck. Mesh on the tongue. Mesh on the toe box. Got these 3M reflective areas here. You got one here. You also have one right above the toe box there. And it reflects pretty well too. If you're in the dark and you shine a flash on it, it'll reflect pretty well. Overall, just beautiful sneakers. The laces are like a nice off-white, almost like a cream kind of, to match this area of the midsole. You have the white and then this cream contrast here. It's just dope, man. Very, very, very simple, very subtle. It follows in the model of a very clean 992, which is what they're known for. There's been a lot of wild collabs with them, lots of different colorways as well, but I'm always gonna, when I think about 992s, I'm always just thinking about just the perfect, simple, clean sneaker. And that's what they are. Very comfortable, of course. The absorb technology in the New Balance 992s makes a big difference. And they're just cozy, man. I got them the week they came out. I've worn them probably about a good 10-15 times already. For good reason. Woo! God damn, okay. But as I was saying, with good reason, I've pretty much worn them over and over again since they came out. I would love to show y'all more detailed shots, so let's go to the overhead. As you can see, man, the contrast of all the materials is gorgeous. The quality of all the materials is gorgeous. The suede, the nubuck, the mesh, the reflective there. The contrast of the colors with the cream here and then the white here. Plus the cream laces matching, the cream part of the midsole. A little bit of translucent here, reflective here, reflective on both sides in the back. JJJJound tab on the back. Just a beautiful sneaker overall, man. If you've been considering these, the materials, the quality, the build of these shoes more than justifies the price, in my opinion. 992s have had a hell of a run the last 2 years. Whether we're talking about these, the Joe Fresh Goods, the double taps, many more collaborations, and I gotta say, man, I don't think they missed at all. I don't think they missed one bit. So if you've been considering these, I highly recommend them, man. The build quality is nuts. They're super comfortable. I really want to wear these every day if I could, but I got too much other stuff to wear. I gotta let these rock a little bit, but now that y'all got the overhead view, man, you can see these details, the build quality. Let's throw them on the feet, man. Let's see how they feel. Let me show you what they look like while they're on my feet, and we'll go from there. They look amazing. They look outstanding. Comfortable, just as I explained. You really can't lose with these, man. If you've been considering, please don't look any further. Go ahead and make that cop. I'm sure the resell on them is probably through the roof right now, but hey, man, I always tell my friends, if you're gonna enjoy them and you're gonna really wear them, man, bite that bullet. I mean, that's easier said than done because I didn't have to pay resell, but still, bite that bullet, man. If you're gonna wear them, why buy 10 sneakers you don't want to wear instead of the one you will wear, right? So, anywho, I'm just talking, but yeah, highly recommend these kicks, man. Thank y'all for rocking with me, man. If you'd enjoyed this, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let me know if you cop. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like these more than the green or vice versa. And until next time, man, peace.